Good day, dear students. Thank you very much for joining me again today. My name is Hameed Asghar, your teacher, your mentor, and on behalf of Institute of Freelancing on Facebook as well as on YouTube, with the sequence of the lectures Freelancing Your Future Career, and along with 72,500 plus followers, I welcome you all in our today's video topic. And today we are going to discuss about the freelancing career, that what exactly are those soft or simple skills which you can learn, and what are those hard skills or difficult skills you can learn with some passage of time, with some extra efforts you can easily learn. And then eventually, what are those websites from where you can learn these techniques or these skills totally free of cost? And eventually, what are those freelancing websites from where you can get the projects related to your skill sets? And that's our today's topic. So let's start with our first topic, that what exactly are the uh, 10 easiest, simple, and easy to learn skills which you must have to have along with your portfolios. So the first thing is the easy skills to learn. In my list of category, the one who is probably at the age of 30 or 35 plus, he can easily start to learn the basic of the easy skills, right? And that includes blogging. Then the second in my category is photography. If you know how to take good quality pictures, you can very easily take a bunch of pictures, you can sell it online. And then virtual assistants is always a hot desired topic for any company or for any entrepreneur around the world. He needs the services of virtual assistant. So regardless you're male, female, student, above 50, or whatever the age group in which you are, you can do this very easily with the basic simple skill set. This skill set includes just very simple basic email handling, telephone calls handling, reporting to your CEO or the boss or the project owner, and very simple skills like this. Then the fourth category is a little bit one step ahead to the virtual assistant, though this presentation skills also comes into the virtual assistant category. But you can very easily learn the skill set of creating animated or highly colorful presentations, and you can give this, or you can sell this skill to the international market. And then one step ahead of this is simple audio video editing. Editing means just a cut and place some kind of text inside the videos, or audios has to be a little bit the light has to be audio has to be toning, and these are the basic skills you can very easily learn and apply on different type of projects. Then it comes to the remote tutoring, as I do and I love tutoring online. So this is something, if you think you are good in any subject, for example someone is good in mathematics or someone is good in programming, so you can very easily sell this service or tutoring online. Then the seventh category is the social media management. Social media management means if I'm having a group of my institute, that is Institute of Freelancing, the group is of about 47,000 plus members. So occasionally I need the services of someone who do a lot of postings. Posting means graphical posting, simple text-based postings, alongside with the brand of the company, or I mean, as you can see on the left hand side, the institute logo, and alongside with this logo, some kind of messages or some kind of job post or some kind of other advertisements launching. So, or either on the Facebook or any other social media, and on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, or any other social media, if you want to post, that is the type of job that comes into social media management. So the one step, if you move one step by step, so the next comes to the web development. Let me tell you, my dear students, very simple and easiest way to develop initially a website for yourself and then eventually for your clients. This is something you can start by learning the basic skills by yourself. And Institute of Freelancing, if you scroll down the institute channel, you will find out there is a lot of lectures regarding this web development, starting from very basics to the PHP and WordPress type of things that I offered through Institute of Freelancing. So ninth category comes to the photo editing. If you know how to edit the photos using Photoshop or any other photo manipulator application, you can sell this services, and this is always in demand skill in years to come. Then the last in my category is pretty simple and easiest is the data entry or typing. If you know how to type in fast, accurate, and with a very good speed, let me tell you, there is a lot of job related to this category, which are always available. So with this, we are done with the 10 easy skills to learn. And now let's move to the next, and that means 10 futuristic skills to learn. That means not that easy, but futuristic skills means for those who are actually right now under the age of 20, which are students right now, or if you're starting your career around 25, around 25, at the age of 25, you can very easily get the expertise of these skills, which I'm going to elaborate one by one. So the first in this category is the machine learning. As you all know, this is right now a very hot topic nowadays. You can very simply learn the machine learning programming languages and automation related uh, the 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 topics which relates to the automation or data analytics. This is Google or Microsoft or whatever the data analytics services which they offer. You can the students can learn the mobile application. As you know, it is always in demand, and that includes a lot of SEO type related things, but alongside with the graphics. And then the next category is the virtual reality. As you all know, the 3D mockups or the 3D animations, 3D content development, and in future, the as you know, the internet or the speed of the internet is step by step going up and up. That means we are very soon entering into that area where the websites would be into a virtual reality mockups. Your e-commerce setups, your um, buying related like Amazon or these kind of things, they all would be showing you the content in a virtual reality. So that means regardless you wear up the 3D goggles or without the goggles, using your screens, you can simply walk into the mall and you can, while clicking on any of the product, it will be exactly simply like you are picking up the products from their shelves. And that means using virtual reality, you will be buying all those type of things. So I'm just giving you a little bit hints that we are heading towards this direction. So the sixth is the video production. I'm not talking about the editing, I'm talking about the producing. Producing means you must have to have a very hi-fi cameras and those kind of things. Some of the video shots, that is sci-fi or the long distance shots, either through aerial or the ground or the natural landscape video productions, that would be sell free of cost. But there is a lot of video productions that goes with the paid options. So you can simply take the videos and high quality videos, high definition 4K site videos, and you can sell them. Then the seventh is the search engine optimization. My dear students, as you all know, every company which are listed on the websites, that always demands that the user who search on the internet must have to reach us instantly, or from the first page. So this is called the search engine optimization. For example, Institute of Freelancing, if someone searched the topic freelancing, my website or Institute of Freelancing link should be on the Google's first page. So that's the objective. And for this purpose, we need to learn the SEO topics, SEO related content. And let me tell you, that's pretty simple to go through these topics, and you can get the higher levels into this. Then the eighth is cloud computing. As you all know, the Google or all those type of bigger giants, they are heading towards the cloud systems. So cloud computing would be the futuristic field, which if you are planning for your kids, or if you're a student planning for your skill set to be improved to that level where you can learn the higher skill set. So this is another top category. Ninth is the blockchain. As you all know, we are heading towards the NFTs, and we are heading towards the blockchain technology. So probably this is one of the most demanding skill that will be in future. Though is right now it's demanding, but in future the demand of this topic would be very high. And finally, artificial intelligence. That is right now in demand, but in future, as we all know, there's a lot of data that is available with every company, so they want artificial intelligence. Using artificial intelligence, we they want to get the maximum results from that data. So these are the futuristic skill sets which I assume I must have to show you one by one. Now let's move towards the third topic, and then that is the 10 websites to learn free those skill set. Either those are simple, or those are hard or futuristic. If you want to learn them free of cost, there are multiple options. And let me give you 10 those websites which you can straight away go through. You can simply create your login credentials and start learning with this. So the first is Udemy, udemy.com. And in the right top corner, you can see there's a link for these type of website links, and you can go through that video that will explain you each and every process, that how you can create accounts, how can you how can you enroll into the free class, and if you're interested to enroll into the paid class, it's still a very cheap offerings that from Udemy. Then the next is Coursera, the world known huge setup, huge organization, which is mainly my interest is that this company is offering, or the people who are with them are from Google and Stanford universities and IBM and these kind of the bigger joints organizations. So you can simply join them also. EDX is with a lot of different topics. You can simply go and create your account, but before creating your account, search the main topic. If that topic's inside into their category, you can simply then register yourself on this website, and you can take the free courses. Lynda.com, that is the earlier name was this, but now it's moved to LinkedIn.com. Codeacademy.com, if you are a programmer, if you want to pursue your career as a programmer, probably this is one of the best website. Codeacademy.com, you can simply go and create your account using signups. Then Open Culture, with the 1,700 free online courses from top universities. But mainly these courses are open online courses, and these are mainly kind of a text-based courses. But when it comes to the Ellison or these kind of websites, very beautifully crafted courses presented with the schematic diagrams or videos and those kind of things. So if you are interested in learning that kind of things, probably Allison is a very good academy, a very good website. Then there is a khanacademy.com, as we all know, US based entrepreneur who initially started up this career and as a engineer, but eventually started up showing their skills using online technologies to teach to the different students, and eventually that comes to the Khan Academy. The ninth is the Skillshare, and then the 10th is the always in demand is YouTube.com. As we all know, you are learning these basic type of skills from myself using YouTube. And thanks to YouTube for offering up these kind of services. Institute of Freelancing is offering more than 230 courses right now. And if you're interested to learn anything, you can learn from me as well as on the YouTube. It's open for everyone. So that ends to the third category, that the websites from where you can get the free learning, and free learning means expertise or skill sets. Then the last and the most important is that what exactly are those websites from where you can, after learning these skills, you can get the projects. And those interesting websites starts from the first and foremost is the upwork.com. The upwork.com is the world top and the biggest ever company, which was earlier Odesk, and with the merger of Odesk and Elance, it comes to the Upwork.com, and right now they are offering millions of jobs per year to across the globe to all freelancers related to the so many categories. Then the next is fiverr.com. If you're interested into smaller kind of jobs, day-to-day jobs, hour-to-hour type jobs, then the fiverr.com is very good. It's starting from very basic to the higher level, all type of job that comes into onto Fiverr also. Freelancer.com, the very old 99designs.com. If you are a designer, if you are a video producer, if you are a logo designer, probably this is one of the finest. It's a competitive based architecture where you compete against others for the design works. And if you feel you are good and if you are to that level, this is the best websites you should join. Then there's a LinkedIn, that's a new upcoming, and I'm not sure whether that is that big, but it's growing very fast. People per hour, after year 2000 it was started, and it's going very good nowadays. Guru.com is also very old, and is it's offer variety of different type of projects. Designcrowd.com is another, again relates to the mainly relates to the design related work, but working not working.com is not as such as a new but emerging website which is coming up with the very good projects. And last is the golands.com. So that is the list of those websites from where I initially recommend that you should start from the first and second, or maybe to one more out of eight, 3 to 10. You can start creating your accounts, and let me assure you, inshallah, things will be very much easier for you, and you will be able to get projects, and you can start earning from these websites. So thank you very much, dear students, for joining me in today's session. That was our today's session. I hope you like it, and if you like it, you can just send me a message on YouTube, and hopefully I'll get back to you in another very interesting topic relates to the freelancing. That's it for today. Thank you very much for joining me in today's session. Hope to speak to you soon again. And up till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.